Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vivo model and whether it uses FunTouch or Origin OS, because the only method depends on system UI. Once you have that, make a quick backup via Settings System Backup so you can restore if needed. Next, enable developer options only if the procedure asks for USB debugging. Otherwise, proceed. Now connect to Wi-Fi and open the Files and Theme tools. These initial checks save time and prevent lost settings later. You now import the compatible Control Center theme file, get the MTZ or zip made for your exact OS build because mismatches break icons. Once downloaded, use the File Manager or Theme app to place it in the Themes folder or import directly. This tells the system to recognize it. If the Control Center elements need tweaking, extract the package and edit config. JSON or theme. XML carefully. Changing resource names aligns the layout. Make sure to keep original. You apply the theme inside the theme app, then immediately test the Control Center. If icons misalign, restart the system UI or reboot the phone to force a redraw. If the theme breaks functionality, revert by restoring your backup or switching to a stock theme, and then clear theme app cache and data. One key troubleshooting tip: always ensure the theme package SDK or build number matches your phone firmware. Mismatched builds are the most common cause of failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.